Well, I'm just down, just moved the cattle, and I thought I'd just come and have a look at this tree while we're down here. It's a lot easier to look at something when the leaves off, because there's something a bit interesting about it. And this is an ash tree. But what's interesting is there's a few holes in the trunk, and I don't know whether you know what these holes are, but if we have a closer look, I'll zoom in on one and you can see what you can think. Now then, can you see that hole? Very round. Now that there is a woodpecker hole. I'm not sure which coloured woodpecker that is. And if we zoom on up the trunk, we should be able to find another one there somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Zoom in there and you can see another perfectly round hole created by a woodpecker. And let's see if there's another one. There's another one up there. Another woodpecker hole there. Around that one I think you can actually see the peck marks. And I'll have a look around this side. I think there might be some more around this side. Can't remember 100%. Oh yes. There's one big one up there. There we go. Neat round hole. Now that one, I think pretty sure it had a nest in early in the summer, because I remember being down here and you could actually hear the noise of the chicks. Let's just have a look around here. I'm stood a bit nearer to this one. Let's see if I can zoom in. I've got quite a good zoom on this camera. Let's see if it'll focus properly on it. There you go, you can see that woodpecker hole perfectly round really. Got a peck mark around the side of it. Now that's where they have their nests. And I do see woodpecker marks on certain parts of trees where they've got grubs, but not many trees have the actual holes like that where a woodpecker would nest. And that's why it's important to have these old trees in hedgerows. You can take them for granted and people cut them down for firewood, but without that sort of old ash tree there'd be no habitat for a woodpecker to live in. That's a nice little thing, just a little quirk I thought I'd video while I was down here looking at the castle.